Hello. That side.
That side is.
Do you have you have photo ID on you?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see that again. I'm sorry. Who is Barbara?
That's my mother.
Okay. Are you on her account?
I believe so. I had a card previously.
You had a card previously? Okay. Give me a couple minutes. Let me just verify that. Do you have the wheel lock key?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Just hang out. Sorry about that. Here you go. If you could just do me a favor and turn the car off. And I just need the wheel lock key. You could turn your hazards off. So your full-size tire is not going to fit where your spare went, so it has to be on the top, in the trunk.
Oh, okay.
The compartment where your spare is, your full-size rim will not fit in that compartment, so it has to go on the top.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Do I need to see
No. No, it's fine. where the damage is. You just want to flip that mat over so I could put it on top. Maybe move that box. Also, your spare needed air too. You wouldn't have made it very far.
I was able just to get off just in time to not be...
No, I'm saying your spare.
The spare was, you said it just has just enough air?
No, it didn't have enough air.
It didn't have enough.
Yeah. And at 30 pounds, it's supposed to have 60. You would have ended up, if you'd have tried it yourself and then not checked, you would have ended up blowing out your spare too. And then you would need a tow.
And that's only good for 50 miles, right?
No. That's a misconception. It's not good for 50 miles. It's temporarily. What they say, the minute you look in your book, it tells you to get to the nearest repair shop.
I'm trying to get the tires tomorrow.
I mean, there's maybe it's right here in Kearney, right on Passaic. I mean, if I was you, I'd give them a call, see if they have your tire. If they got your tire, go right over, get a new tire. I wouldn't wait, because if something happens on your way home, not to say it would, but
yeah, I agree.
Then you're kind of stuck. Now you need a tow. You might want to get your brakes looked at too.
Oh, I just got those. It looks from where it hit.
And it looks like they did the axle, but not the pads.
I'm sorry.
Your pad, like you have the friction material, you got almost like 10% left. You don't have very much left.
Okay.
So you definitely want to get that checked out, because what will happen is inside there's a little cylinder, and if that cylinder goes out too far, this will seize, and then you need a new one. They need to bleed lines. There's all sorts of expensive stuff that's needed once that happens. I just need to see how much force is needed to be applied to your wheel, your lug nuts. This is a no. You can say no. You don't dig it out. What year is this? 2014. Okay. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your mom is also going to get a survey. I'm pretty sure I provided excellent service today.
Okay. I'll let her know. I'll make sure to...
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Like I said, try and get the tire replaced today if you can, because you don't want something else happening, and then now you need a tow.
Okay.
At least if something else happens and you get the tire replaced today, you got a spare and you can do the same thing. All right? You're welcome.